We are pleased to show you the 2019 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, traction control, leather trim seats, power steering, cruise control, power brakes, clock, compass, fog lights. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.